this is my drawings. Get your pen and paper. Okay. Today we're going to be drawing a great white sock. Oh, how my pens have been sharpened. The black. Oh, anyway. That was my sister. So first we're going to do a curve. We're going to do the mouth shut. So it's like very sideways. It's easy. Now we're going to make it small. And then we got to do a fin. That must look like a whale. But it was not. I hope. Here we go. It's your sock, hopefully. And this sock is very hungry. That must look like a whale still. Soon it was not. Once we do some white bits. Light blue. His head be like dude. That must look like a journalist written now. But it doesn't now. Does it still look like a whale? No. Whales should have blobbers. In fact, whales have blobbers to breathe out air, and then when they blow, that's when they breathe. That's sort of like their mouth when they breathe. Sort of like humans, but not quite. So we speak about white socks instead of whales. Okay, we're going to do that bit white because this is a great white sock. I think this is what these bit out. These should have like white bits on the tips. Here we go. This is better. Okay, great white socks. Oh, and it's lunchtime. And this is all scared. Do you know why? But you don't. Because socks eat little fishies. Oh, we have blue and everything. And then here we go. Oh, on his tail too. Because it's a great white sock. And he needs white bits all over. Because it's great. Can I tell you a joke? Okay. What do we eat and socks do? Fish and chips. Because socks like this, so fish and chips will be the best snack for them. Yeah. Holly, he might be a little dangerous when we finish drawing here. Have you ever seen a great white sock? That's good. Because they could easily eat you. But it's okay. But it's a bit more safe if it's in a tank. He could hold snap at you. Now we'll try to do it a little bit dark on this thing. because here you go with them. They're done with a great white sock. And now we just have to do some gills. Maybe in our next episode we can probably do a great white sock. No. We just did a whale sock. That's a type of sock, but it's harmless. It only eats little things. Do my hair like this. Put the over yellow hair. I'm going to like do blue. And that looks like one of our mini. Oh, maybe his tail could be yellow. That's his fins, because they're always a little bit yellow. Let's do some of the Dolby film. She gets lost, and the octopus keeps on coming with us, and she's really good at forgetting, I think. He's like shocked because he's a great white shark, and now he's probably swimming. Maybe we should do Nemo now. Joey has Nemo too. There you staying. Get a little pencil. My pencil will slip. I hope yours doesn't. And now this over here. It's like, oh no. This over here is like, oh no. It's like swimming as fast as you can. Okay, oh. Nemo, and then we're going to do like black stripes on him. Nemo has black stripes, maybe, probably not. Zebra first, that's it. Oh, maybe we could do a clean of this next time. Oh, we have been talking about whale socks. Don't exactly know. We might do a frog. I was thinking of a frog so lately. And we're going to do dark blue now because a bubble is going out of his mouth because he's in the sea. I wonder if that. Sock too. Like, why myself? I know this is sort of scared, but it's okay. What are you afraid of? It's okay. Now he's like rushing. It's okay if you're afraid of something. Bubbles. Now we're going to do red seaweed over here. Let's see. Go ahead, okay. Okay, we could do some green seaweed. Then we're going to wiggle back. Oh, here goes seaweed. arena ground and they love seaweed and they sneeze over it. And the seaweed they eat is very, very salty. So they sneeze out salt. That's just like a snot. But the snot is the salt. Which is snot. Ooh, actually, let's do yellow. Not very nice yellow. That's some dark yellow. With this great big straw. Seaweed. This can be like good. Maybe we can do some pink afterwards, and that could be really cool. Oh, and then we can do like a rocky reef, and it could be the lights on. Right against the motion. Clean a face. Okay, let's just do pink seaweed first. That really seems to be missing. A rocky reef. Seaweed one. Oh, looks like this bubble is about to pop. Maybe it's not going to pop. Oh, this is going. Oh yeah, sand in the sea. It's not going to pop. Ow. Poor sock. Let's do this. This side should be hit over here. Okay. Time we need to